Afternoon, children. This is Shivalsis speaking. Children, as of now, we have discussed about area of triangle. We dealt with the area of parallelogram and many more concepts of area and perimeter area. So, children, now we are going to discuss about triangle. We will learn how to find area of triangle. Here I've drawn two questions. In the previous video, I have already discussed about the formula of area of triangle, that was half into base into height and all that. So right now we are having two different questions, two different situations of triangle. So this is what we are going to have a discussion right now. Let us have a look. Children, this particular figure, a triangle which is a right angled triangle, means this is the height of this triangle and this is the base of this triangle. Not necessarily this one has to be the height. It can be base as well. It can be considered as height as well. If I flip this figure in this way, so in that case 4 centimeter can be taken as height and 3 centimeter can be taken as base. This is the speciality of such kind of triangle in which the height and base can be altered. So here in this particular figure, the height is 4 centimeter and the base is 3 centimeter. So children, we are going to find the area of this triangle. We will write the formula. We know that area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. Fine? Half into base into height. Half from the formula, base is 3 centimeter. Base is 3 centimeter. Fine. And the height is 4 centimeter. Right? So this 2 and 4 will be cancelled. 3 2s are 6 centimeters square. Children, I have already said in my previous video that whenever we are expressing area of any figure, area of any two-dimensional figure, the unit always comes in square, unit square, centimeter square, meter square, kilometer square, like that. So here the unit of area for this particular triangle is 6 centimeter square. 6 centimeter square. So the next one, the next figure, it's a bit confusing because the height of this triangle is not mentioned properly. Children, in this particular triangle, this is a measure of the base. Base is 3 centimeter. Base is 3 centimeter and height which is extended from the vertex, this particular vertex, from outside. It's outside of the figure. Why? Because the height cannot be drawn inside the figure as it's not forming 90 degree. Just we wanted to know the height of this particular triangle. That's why we have extended the height outside of the figure. The height of this triangle is 2 centimeter. Height of this triangle is 2 centimeter and the base is 3 centimeter. So naturally, if I find the area of this triangle using the formula half into base into height, half from the formula, base is 3 centimeter and height is 2 centimeter. This 2 and that 2 will be cancelled. I'll have only 3 centimeter square. This is the area of this triangle. 3 centimeter square. So the formula is very simple. Half into base into height. Using this formula, we can find the area of any triangle, with its scalene triangle, isosceles, equilateral, any triangle. The area can be found easily using this particular formula, half into base into height. Apart from this, when we're talking about the next question number 3, we are given a chart in which the measure of base, measure of height, and area of parallelogram is given. It's for some situations in which base of a parallelogram, which is 20 centimeter, height is not mentioned and the area is given. Area is 246 centimeter square. Children, what is the formula of area of parallelogram? What is the formula of area of parallelogram? Area of parallelogram is base into height. is base into height. So the measure of base is given, height is unknown. What will I do, children? We can go for any X methods, or normally simply we can go for a calculation. Base into height is equal to area. Base is 20, height is unknown, area is mentioned 246. So what we can do from here, we can keep height over here and 246 will be written. 20 will be transposed from left hand side to the right hand side. 20 will be divided over here. Let's go for a cancellation. 2 tens are 20, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 3 twos are 6. Measure of the height is 123 by 10, matlab 12.3 centimeter. This is the measure of height of this parallelogram, right? The next one is a parallelogram whose area is 154.5 centimeters square, and the measure of height is 15 centimeter, and base is unknown. Base is not given over here. So what we have to do, children, we have to find the measure of the base, right? So same formula, same process can be used for this question as well. Base into height equal to area of the area of the parallelogram. Fine. Base is unknown, so let this be as it is. Height is 15. Area of the parallelogram is 154.5. Now, base is equal to 154.5 by 15. 15 has been transposed from left hand side to the right hand side. So it has become divided. So now I'm removing this point. I'm supposed to get 10. I can cancel it by 5. 5 can cancel 15 and 1. 5, 4, 5 as well. So 5 3s are 15. Next, this one is 5 3s are 15. 4 is not divisible by 5, so I have to get a 0. 5 9s are 45. Then again, 3 can cancel 309. 3 1s are 3. 0 1 0 3. So I'm getting the measure of the base is equal to 103 by 10. So it will be 10.3. 10.3 centimeter is the measure of the base of this parallelogram, whose area is 154.5 centimeters square. Now the next one, same thing, same process should be utilized for this one as well. The answer of this one will be 48.72, slip of tongue, divided by 8.4. I have to divide 48.72 by 8.4 and I'll get the measure of the base. Next one is 15.6, which is the measure of the base of a parallelogram. Height is unknown and the area of the parallelogram is 16.38. So I'll find the measure of the height of this parallelogram using simple process. 16.38 divided by 15.6. Go for a division, you will get your answer. So this way, children, we have to find out the unknown values, unknown measures of a parallelogram. We have solved 4 questions of this table. More questions are there. I'll be expecting from you all to try out your own. You'll be trying out these questions your own self. And here are 2 questions of triangle. I've already explained how to find the area. This pattern of questions will be surely there in exam. I'll be giving such questions in exam for sure. So children, so please be prepared. Do practice very nicely. And if you face any confusions or any doubts, please drop your queries in the WhatsApp as well as in comment section of YouTube channel. So children, these questions will be a practice work. As of now, we have completed the first exercise of perimeter area, and this was question number 2 and 3. So I'll be expecting from everyone to try out the first exercise as well as these questions. Till then, thank you so much, children. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye. Thank you.